Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Kyler. I make car videos, basically documenting the build of my car, and then also just tips and tricks for photography, which I'm starting, detailing and more. So let's get into it. Recently, I purchased a newer tripod. I had one before, but it's pretty low quality, pretty cheap, just a beginner one. I didn't really know how far I was going to get into all this creative stuff, and I really like it, so I really just wanted to up my game a little bit. So this new tripod that I got is, it's not too expensive. It's about 90 bucks, but I did get it on sale on Prime Day. So you gotta watch out for those deals. Yeah, so I would say this tripod is budget friendly. So this is the tripod I had before, the first one I originally bought. As you can tell, it's just cheap plastic everywhere. And it doesn't really have the best attachment. I guess like the base for the attachment. You know, the screw's kind of short, so it's a little sketchy sometimes. So yeah, as you can tell, it's super flimsy, not really what I want to put a $600 camera on and kind of shoot photos with, or video for that matter. So this is what we got by K&F Concept. It's the KF TM2324, and this thing is really sturdy, really good quality, made of metal throughout. So yeah, this is basically as tall as the plastic one goes, and I'm going to show you how tall the K&F Concepts tripod goes. Yeah, so that's a big height difference right there. So this camera would be really good for filming, for events, anything like that. What I mainly use it for is pictures, and then of course my YouTube videos. This is how it comes in the mail with a little carrying case. Open that up. Got your tripod. And so all you gotta do is bend these legs out and it clicks in place right here. So this helps, makes it really sturdy. Do 2 clicks, has 3 options I guess. 2 and then 3. So 3 different I guess heights. And then here you go. Take this little cover off. It's also super convenient with this tripod because it has a little hook on the bottom. So I guess you could like hang your bag or anything right there. Maybe like a sandbag or some weights or something, just in case. And then yeah, right here there's a little dial, so you can loosen this up and you can adjust the height for this. And to unlock the legs again, you fold them in, click this, so you can go over the top, just like that. And another cool feature with this tripod is that you can turn it upside down and get some really low to the ground angles. So that really helps to get more creative and have flexibility when you're shooting. Another feature we have here is it does have a level, so you can line up and get perfectly even shots. I don't usually use that. If I have a shot that's like a bad angle, then I'll just crop it in Lightroom or something. So yeah, I just got kicked out by mall security. Figured that might happen. But he was really nice about it. He knows, like, I'm just taking pictures of my car. I wasn't doing that, but I was actually just filming. So I'm glad I already got my photos in this morning. That's clutch. And we'll just continue this video back at the crib. So much fun. Little burbles, little burbles. the specs of the tripod. So let me grab my notes. We got the weight coming in at 2.5 pounds or 1.1 kilograms. And then once it's all folded up, it's pretty compact, coming in about 18 inches. So you could definitely fit this in any suitcase, your clothes bag or anything like that. Really good for traveling. So you have this case here that it goes into. And I could almost fit this in my backpack, but not quite. So you definitely need like a little suitcase carry-on that you could use to travel with. The load that this tripod can carry is about 22 pounds. So that makes it really lightweight, but at the same time being super sturdy and high quality, all made of like aluminum and magnesium material. And then another one of my favorite features, that has this like little spongy grip. So I mean, you could even like lower this like so, and then kind of like hold on to it and do some like, I guess, run and gun shots. So super convenient for that. Then also another feature that I really like about this tripod are the rubber feet. So these are on there pretty good. Like, I don't feel like they would fall off at all. So that's a plus. And they're rubber, so it's pretty much good for any surface. You know, tile, hardwood floors, concrete, gravel, anything like that, grass even. Another really cool feature of this tripod would be this video head. Well, it's not like a full video head with like every angle view and like on a ball joint or something like that, but it does have super like buttery smooth left to right panning that you could use. So you could like hold this and kind of like get some really good cinematic or B-roll shots, or maybe just like pan a landscape left to right or something like that. So that's a really cool feature. And then you can lock that as well. A little dial right here so it can't move. So yeah, what I'm basically going to be using this tripod for are mainly my photo shoots that I do myself of my car. And this really comes in handy because you can shoot at like a really low ISO or do some light effects and just have a super stable and sturdy tripod for your camera. And yeah, it's really easy just to put on and off. So you got your little base plate right here, camera. Just want to screw that on there. Like that. You just put it in. Tighten this up right here. Make sure you get that pretty tight. And then I loosen the ball joint right here. And then bam, you're shooting portrait mode. I mainly shoot in portrait mode, especially for Instagram, because you can get more of the photo as it's more of like a portrait viewing. So yeah, this is a really sturdy tripod, really good quality, and I would definitely just go ahead and spend the money on this if you're looking to get a tripod in general, because you know what they say, buy it right, don't buy it twice. Something like that. Buy it right, you won't have to buy it twice. So yeah, definitely wouldn't waste your money on some plastic tripod like this, especially if you have like a $600 camera. You know, you might as well just buy the $90 tripod that's gonna last you a really long time and really come in handy, travel with it, all that. And it has a bunch of great features. The only thing that I might want to do in the future is get a different video head for this, so that I can do like all angles and maybe do some smooth B-roll shots without getting gimbal. So I might consider that and do a video on that in the future if I do. So you guys, thanks for tuning in. That's my review of the K&F Concept TM2324 tripod. It's really a great product. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys just in case you want to check it out. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, hit the bell notification, and just like that, we're out. Peace.